Hey everybody, welcome back to Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'm going to be sharing some painting kits that I got. I got this painting kit, and this is a mini canvas painting kit, and it comes with everything you need in this kit. You get the paintbrushes, 4 canvases, and the paint all in here. And it says it comes with instruction sheets with tips. You get 4 of these in here to paint. And I paid $5 for these. And I'm going to be showing stuff that I got a couple months ago. And stuff that I just recently got. Now I just got this a couple days ago. This one here. And this was $5. Clearance. And then I also got this Loops and Thread Needlepoint canvas. It's a summer one. And this is a printed needlepoint. It's got everything in here you need. The content is 55 polyester printed canvas. And it comes with 10 acrylic yarns, a metal needle, and instructions. And I got this from Michaelss. I got this. It's going to be pretty when it's all done. Okay, I got that the other day. And these are ones I got in January that I didn't show. And this is a paint by number gallery mini kit. And it's 223 number sections, so it has 223 sections to paint. And it comes with 4 stretch canvases, 2 paint brushes, 9 number paint pots, 9 of these, they're numbered, 1 printed picture of final paint not shown, 1 number reference sheet, instruction sheets included. So I'm going to give this one to my daughter. I used to do paint by numbers a long time ago when I was younger. And here's another one. This is by Artist Loft. And this is the paint by number kit. And it's 681 number sections. And this is 8 by 10 inch. And it comes with everything in the box that you need to use. It comes with 8.5 by 11.5 inch canvas sheet without wooden hanger, pre-printed with guidelines and number, 4 brushes, 15 number paint pots, 1 number reference sheet, 4 wooden rods with pre-drilled holes, and 6 pairs of metal pins. And it shows you everything that it's got in the box right here. And I'm going to give this one to my daughter too, to paint. And then I also got this one. This is a big one. This is a Christmas one. I got these in January. They're paint by number kits. These are Christmas ones. And that's how it looks. It's a pretty long box. I'm not going to be able to fit it all on there. And this is 658 number sections. And this is a 16 by 20 inch paint by numbers. And that's how the side of the box looks. And this is all that comes in the box. Get the little nails and the little wood things that go around your painting. And the paint brushes. And all these paints. And your little, what's that, the picture? Okay, it tells you all what it comes in here. 116 by 21.5 inch canvas, 4 brushes. You get 2 detail brushes, 1 small round and 1 small flat. 24 number paints. You get all the paint. 1 printed picture of final painting. 1 number reference sheet. Wooden display hangers. 4 wooden rods with pre-drilled holes and 6 pair of metal pins. Instructions included. That's what you get inside the box, and it shows you all what you get right here. And it's really got some really nice paint colors. That's the paint colors right there. That's the paint colors. And this one here, I'm going to give to my daughter's friend. It's a Christmas Noel one. And what's the name of the painting here? I got these when they were marked down right after Christmas. Has this got a name to it? I guess it's Christmas Noel, I don't know. That's probably the name of it. Yep, I guess that's the name of it right there, maybe. No, that ain't the name of it. I don't know what the name of the painting is. Let me see if I can find it. I guess it don't have their name. I don't see one. I know it's a penguin. Yep, it's a penguin one. I'm giving this one to my daughter, her friend. Okay, and then I got one that I'm going to keep. And this is the same size. This is the Artist Loft one. And it's paint by number. And it's the deer one. And I like this one. So this got 1,089 number sections to paint. And a 16 inch by 20 inch. And this is a cute painting. That's the side of the box. And it comes with everything you need to paint with. I got these when they were marked down, like in January. I can't remember what I paid. But I always look for markdowns for the Christmas stuff in January. And I like this one because it's got the deer and the owl. And it's also got a little rabbit you paint on here. And a squirrel. And the deers. And the owl. And this one is for me. I don't know. I might probably paint it during the whole year, but I'm going to start painting it. And you get everything you need to paint these. I used to love to do paint by numbers. And I'm going to do this one. That's all what I got from Micheals. And these are so cute. These are such cute paintings. I love them all. Yep, I love them all. And this is what I got. Yep. So check out the video. Or check out your store. You might have some markdowns in your Micheals. And thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like. If you like this kind of content, make sure to give it a thumbs up. The more thumbs up I get, the more it encourages me to do more videos. Bye-bye.